Welcome to Ultimate English Quiz. Wish you the best. Let's go. Proverb. Proverb is a simple, traditional saying that expresses a perceived truth based on common sense or experience. For example, actions speak louder than words. Easy come easy go. Fortune favors the bold. Catch the bear before you sell his skin. Hunger is the best sauce. Once bitten, twice shy. It never rains but it pours. Prevention is better than cure. Every dog has its day. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Bite the hand that feed you.